Hi Kristen, this is Ken at Docks and Toyota. I just wanted to send you a video on this great Honda Odyssey that you inquired about. I'm just going to give you a quick little walk around of it, show you what great shape it's in, and it's got the dual power sliding doors, dual heated climate controlled air conditioning heating system, heated seats. It's got power hatch on it, and it is just in really, really great shape. It's going to be an awesome vehicle for family, camping, going to the beach, and most importantly, you could take your friends with you, including Murphy. Well, you can't have this one. This one's mine. But so you can see Murphy's very comfortable in this, as is people as well. So hope you're interested. Give me a call at 253-394-0046. Or you can reply back to my email. Let's set up a time for you to come in. This thing is really, really nice. It's never been smoked in and is a great, great Odyssey. Thank you. Talk to you soon. Now let's see if you'll get out of the car. Why you want to stay in there. Come on, Murphy. Come on, buddy. Okay. Oh, thanks, buddy. Okay, Kristen. I'm going to go get my dog put away, and no, he's not included with the sale. Thanks for your opportunity to earn your business.